Today, I'm going to show you how to write a topic sentence. As a teacher myself, I'm going to show you the tips and tricks you'll need to blow your teacher away. I will go over a simple formula that you can use no matter which level you're at to write both a basic and advanced topic sentence. So click this button to subscribe and let's get... You got to click the button. Yeah, move your mouse over right here and click this. Let's talk about the different purposes of a topic sentence. Number one, whether you're writing an entire essay or just a single paragraph, the goal of your writing is to answer the question or address the topic that you've been assigned. In an essay, you answer the question with a thesis statement, and then each paragraph starts off with a topic sentence that supports your thesis, which answers the question. Now, if you're writing just a couple paragraphs, you do not need a thesis statement. You'll answer the question directly with your topic sentences. So whether it's a full essay or just one paragraph, the goal of your topic sentence is to answer the question. Number two, each paragraph has a single controlling idea that you state in the topic sentence. Imagine playing a video game and you have to share the controller with another person. Things would get messy really quickly. You'd be pushing different buttons, going in different directions. You'd be all over the place. Just like you have one person per controller, in your topic sentence, you have one main idea that controls your entire paragraph. If you have more than one main idea, things get really confusing. And by stating one idea at the beginning of your paragraph in your topic sentence, you give your paragraph structure. If you want to learn more, check out the video above. 3. By stating your topic sentence as a first sentence of your paragraph, you tell your reader exactly what your writing will be about, making it clear, organized, and precise. In the video above, I already brainstormed my entire writing prompt and listed all my claims, all the reasons why Batman is the greatest. I also listed all the counterclaims. These are all the issues I think my reader may have with my claims. It's important to brainstorm both your claims and counterclaims before we start writing your topic sentences. That way you don't miss out on anything. But really, Superman? Let's start writing. Here's my research question. Which superhero is the greatest in the DC universe? To answer my question and yours, here's the basic formula. It's my turn? Okay. It's so simple. It's topic plus sentence, right? Yeah. Why don't you run along now and let the adults talk? Sorry about that. Forget everything you just heard. The basic formula is your topic, the word because, and then one reason. To write a basic topic sentence, look at your question for your topic. Batman is the greatest superhero, and then I use the word because to connect the topic to the reason. Fights with no powers. Remember, topic, the word because, and then one reason. Now, let's talk about how to take your topic sentence to the next level. Here's a more advanced topic sentence. When faced with the impossible task of fighting Superman, Batman uses his creative genius rather than powers to defeat him. I still state my topic plus one reason, but I do a couple key things here to take it to the next level. 1, I input a counterclaim. I state that it's really tough to beat Superman, and by recognizing that, I will actually strengthen my claim and argument. 2, I make my topic sentence precise. I focus it. I take it from the broad idea that Batman fights with no powers and focus it on the fact that he uses his brain and intelligence to defeat Superman. So ask yourself, can you make your topic sentence more precise? 3, my topic sentence doesn't just tell you a fact, it shows you. I give the situation around the fact, which allows the reader to visualize the main idea. And that's powerful. I imagine as I read that sentence, you even had pictures in your mind of Superman and Batman fighting it out. And that's what I'm going for. Show, not tell. You can also use a topic sentence to transition from one paragraph to the next. Not only does Batman fight with no powers, he uses his wealth to help the less fortunate. By stating the previous idea, I help the reader transition and to understand that the next paragraph and the next idea will also show why Batman's the greatest. it connects the two. I'm so excited. Okay, supposed to tell you 200. 200? Not 200? How many was it? It's only 2. I just told you. Just 2. Only 2? Okay. 2 common mistakes to avoid. 1, don't be repetitive. Like, don't say the same thing over and over again. That's just boring. Like, Batman's the greatest because, the second reason Batman's the greatest because, the third reason Batman's the greatest because. Come on, change it up a bit. I think I'll take it from here. Oh, really? Come on. Yeah, I'm sure. Pay attention though. I need you to focus. Sorry. Really? You want some? Pathetic. Where was I? Avoid being too simple. Not that any of these sentences are necessarily wrong, but they just state a reason and they don't actually use the basic formula. If you're stuck, check out the video description because I'll link you to a website with some good sentence starters. Next, revise and edit your writing. Does your topic sentence support your thesis? Is it crystal clear? Is it precise? Is it too simple? Too repetitive? And make sure when you're done, you check your spelling and grammar. I was supposed to tell you to check the video description. There's some free links or something. I don't know. Just check it out. And there was something else. Oh yeah, comment below and tell us what you learned. Maybe it's the purpose, or remember I showed you the basic formula? Maybe it's how to write a basic, what does that say? Advanced topic sentence. Oh yeah, and I also showed you the common mistakes, or maybe how to transition. Just tell us what you learned. Also, click subscribe because I'm going to walk you through the entire writing process from start to finish. Make sure to like the video. See you later.